I forgot my glasses.
Uh-oh, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh boy, we don't have any echoes today.
No,
Good.
no echoes today, Mr. Judge. I had to call in. I'm glad we able to call in now because we have a flood warning up here in Conroe.
Oh
So
goodness. Okay.
yeah, so I anytime it rains, like my electricity, like we must have a weak power line over here because every time
Hmm?
it just rains, it always go out.
Oh, I'm going crazy today. Let's see. Personal service on. Hold on a minute. Well, then you better get out of there if it's going to flood. All right. All
You
right.
know,
This is cause number 2010-35721 in the interest of our money. Holloway. All
mm,
parties, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Patience Moore, and
And your relationship to the child.
the mother, primary cousin.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Morning, Your Honor. Kavita Sharma.
All right. The court will note that the non-custodial parent is Justin Holloway. Mr. Holloway was personally served um, at 10:12 a.m. on March 28th, 2022 at 5808 Luxor Drive in Killeen, Texas, Bell County. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That's correct, Judge. He has not filed an answer. His appearance yesterday, he did make an appearance, but he left between the time of 11:15 a.m. to noon before his case was heard and has not made an attempt to call back.
All right, we'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call the mother, Miss Patience Moore.
All right.
Oh, and Judge, I'm sorry. Could you please take judicial notice of the prior order that was signed on August 13th, 2010, the child support review order?
Yes, okay.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Moore. Since this order has been filed, there has been a substantial change in the circumstances, correct? Ms. Moore, can you hear me?
Yes, correct.
And how is your
Uh,
child how is your child covered under health insurance?
she's covered underneath me. The mother, Patience Moore. I'm covered through my Blue Cross Blue Shield through my employer.
And is it correct that you pay around $470 a month for medical support?
That is correct.
Is that,
And
ma'am, is that for you and your child or just just your child?
That is just my child. Lone Star pays
All
for
right.
my insurance by myself.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. Go ahead, Mr. Sherman.
thank you, Judge. And Ms. Moore, do you also pay $8 a month for dental insurance for your child only?
Yes, ma'am. No, dental is split between me and my child, but yes.
But your child's portion is $8 a month, is that correct?
Was the dental division alone? Yes, 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 it is.
Thank you. And you agree to maintain that health insurance for your child, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And you understand that there are other obligations that Mr. Holloway has, correct?
Other kids, yes, ma'am.
And specifically, he has at least 4 other children that he's paying support to, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And because there's a cap on that, you understand that the court is going to order Mr. Holloway to reimburse you $50 for cash medical support.
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that the court is going to order Mr. Holloway reimburse $8 for cash dental support.
Yes, ma'am.
And you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the prior order, we used minimum wage to calculate the support. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And since the last order, do you know where Mr. Holloway is working?
Do I know if he's working? No, ma'am.
And you understand the court is going to maintain that minimum wage guideline to set support.
Correct.
And you understand that it's going to drop from 20% as it was previously to 13.60% now, correct?
Correct.
And you're asking the court to set current child support at $148 a month beginning September 1?
Correct.
And are you asking the court bill court costs to Mr. Holloway?
That is correct.
And do you believe this order is in the best interest of your child?
Yeah. I don't really know how to answer that question, but I'm gonna go ahead and say, yeah, he can't do nothing then. I'm pretty sure he can't do nothing now. So yes, this is fine.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank